Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn essential formulas that every Excel user should know. This tutorial is especially useful for those who have just started using Excel or those who require Excel skills for routine work at school, office, or retail. I will walk you through quick and powerful formulas that can make your work easier. So let's get started and make Excel work for you. Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos. So this is the worksheet that I will use to help you explain the basic formulas in Excel. In this sheet you can see that we have the names of different students and their results for physics, chemistry and biology. First of all, I would like to introduce the formula that can be used to add different numbers. This formula is called the sum function. So for example, if we wanted to add all these numbers for the first student here in this total marks cell, I will select this cell and then I will write equal, and you know that every formula starts in Excel with equal sign. So after writing equal, next I have to write the sum and bracket start, and after starting the bracket I have to give the numbers that I want to add, or I will select the cells where those numbers are present. So for example, if I select this range, or alternatively I can also write this range manually. Then after selecting this range, I will close this bracket and then press enter. The same can be done with the help of another method. So I will delete this first. The other way of adding these numbers is the use of short key. Instead of manually writing equal and then writing the sum, we can use the short key Alt equal, and when I press this short key, the range is automatically selected. All I have to do is to press enter and the total is obtained in this cell. The third method of doing this, you just select this cell and then under the home tab we find this icon of sum. With the sum, the short key that we have used earlier, Alt equal, is also written. So when I press this, it actually uses the same short key and the range and the formula is automatically written over here. I just need to press enter and the total is calculated. To calculate the total for rest of the students, I don't need to repeat this formula over and over again. I just need to drag and drop from this right side corner, and here I will place this. So it will automatically calculate the total for all the students. The next function is the max function. Max function is used to calculate the maximum value in the given range. To use this formula, I will write equal max bracket start, and next I have to select the range in which I want to calculate the maximum value. So I will select the marks of the first student for all the subjects and then close this bracket and press enter. The maximum marks are 74, that is calculated over here. To calculate it for rest of the student, I will use the drag and drop method. Similarly, to calculate the minimum value, I will use the formula minimum. So for this, I will write equal and then I will write min bracket start, and again now I have to select the range where I want to find the minimum value. So I will select all the marks, then I will close this bracket and press enter. So the minimum marks are 32, that is given in this cell. And for the rest of the student, I will again use the drag and drop method. The next formula is how we can use the average function. To use the average function, I will write equal and then I will write average. After writing average, next I have to select the range. So because I wanted to calculate the average of these three subject marks, so I select this range, then I need to close this bracket and press enter. So this is the average marks of the first student. To calculate for rest of the student, I will use the drag and drop method. Now on the basis of this average, I also want to designate every student as pass or fail, and this can be done with the use of if function. If function is the most widely used logical function in Excel. So here I will select this cell and then write equal if bracket start. Next I have to provide the logical test. So because I want to designate this pass or fail on the basis of the average, so I will select this cell I2 and then I have to provide the logical reasoning that if I2 is greater than or equal to 50%, then in inverted commas I will write pass, or otherwise fail. So here you can see that the if function states that if the marks are greater than or equal to 50%, then the student will be designated as pass or otherwise fail. After writing this syntax, I need to close the bracket and press enter. So here you can see that the marks for the first student is more than 50%. The result is pass. To get the result for all students, I will use the drag and drop method. That's it for today's tutorial on basic Excel formulas. Next time, we will learn how to use conditional formatting on the same worksheet as you can see on the screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and these formulas will definitely boost your productivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for timely notification. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.